Hello friends, my name is Tejal and today I am going to teach double-ended queue. Okay, so first of all, what is double-ended queue? Double-ended queue is also called as the DEQ. Okay, so first of all, a list in which elements can be inserted or deleted either end. It is also known as a head-tail linked list. Okay. It has two pointers, left and the right, which pointed to either end of the DEQ. DEQ can be implemented using circular array or a circular doubly linked list where DEQ of n-1 is followed by DEQ of 0. Okay. Types of DEQ. There are basically main two types of it. First one is the input restricted DEQ and second one is the output restricted DEQ. In first input restricted DEQ, in this DEQ insertion can be done only at one of the end while deletion can be done from both ends. I hope you can understand. इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि आप इंसर्शन कहीं से भी करो, चाहे आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से इंसर्शन करवाओ या लेफ्ट या राइट, दोनों में से कौन से साइड से भी इंसर्शन करवाना चाहते हो आप इंसर्शन करवा सकते हो, बट डिलीशन कैन बी डन फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड्स. ओके, एंड आउटपुट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड DEQ means in this DEQ deletion can be done only at one of the ends while insertion can be done on both ends. Okay, it is totally opposite of the input restricted DEQ. In output restricted DEQ, what happens, only at one end you can delete the data and in both the ends you can insert your data. Hope you all are understand with the DEQ. Okay, thank you so much.